Hey guys, it's Riley from Riley's Outlet, and today, as you can see from the title, I am doing the filming on a chair, so I'm seeing what looks good. Okay, so today I'm doing the TMI squishy tag. This was created. No, I'm not sure who created it, but I saw this at iColor 500's channel, and I'm sorry for any background noise. There's a lot of noise in my house right now, and someone's mopping where my room is, so I can't go in my room. So yeah, let's get started. And make sure you subscribe and leave some comments on what squishy video I should do next. I have a couple in mind, but I might do like 2 more after this, but yeah. And comment down below, like, because I'm going to do my accessories in like different ways. Like, if you guys come and like do your intro with something in your mouth, put something in my mouth and do my regular intro. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below to be part, and turn on notifications to be part of the notification squad. So let's get started. Okay, so the first question is a squishy that you would use as an accessory. So I have this money squishy because, like, money, you going somewhere. So it's actually pretty still rising too. The second squishy is last squished squishy. Well, I'm guessing she meant besides the one I just squished, because that would be boring. So the last squishy I squished that wasn't in this tag already would probably have to be my Swiss roll. I love this squishy ever since I got it last night. I'm obsessed with it. And I only need these 4. No, I only need these 4. I have these 2. I need the cream cones, cocoa dipped, sugar loaves, and some donuts. Here's the Swiss in packaging for all you package lovers. And here's the out squish. It's a little dense, but it's like really cute. It's really squishy. So yeah. Ow! I poked myself in the eye. Ow! Poked myself in the eye. Okay, the third squishy is my favorite series right now, and my favorite series would probably have to be the Rilakkuma series. I just love this like design. So yeah. The next squishy is a squishy you regret making, and I had picked out 2 squishies for this because I really don't like them in my collection. I have this onsen bun that's really ugly, and it's like not even the right shape. And this really creepy apple squishy. I think it's just the face, cause like apples come in all different shapes. So next squishy is soft. Or slow. I'd rather slow. Next squishy is my stress reliever, and that would have to be my teriyaki fish. So, the next squishy, oh no, it's not actually squishy, is, have you ever defected a squishy on purpose? I have not defected a squishy on purpose. Squishies that get defected either get defected from me squishing them a lot, or they've been defected in the stores from people squishing them, or they're just defected. So, yeah. And comment down below if I should film here more, because I have my fish tank back there, a random lamp back there, and my stone wall. And this little space right here. And there's a mop right there, so don't mind that. But, you can't even see it. But, next squishy is when you got a package, it made you really happy. And it is this Bear School squishy. I got this in a package once, and they accidentally sent me 2 and messed up my order, but like, I got 2 of them. But one I gave away because my niece really wanted it, so I gave her one. Just a little bit. So, yeah. What does that say? Wait, what? The next question is how I found squishies, and I actually have a pretty interesting story. When I was about 7, I was looking for a mesh ball because I had a $50 Amazon gift card. So I had a mesh ball, and then this squishy popped up. I didn't know what a squishy was, but sorry about that. I didn't know what a squishy was, so I clicked on it, I bought it, and I got a 20 pack. So yeah. The last question is number 10. There are 10 questions. Is this a squishy that's almost never squished? It is this Coco the dog squishy. I like how this turned out. This was on accident. It was supposed to be this cocoa dipped thing. When I made it, my mom said it looks like a dog, so it's Coco the dog now. So I like this latte. So yeah, guys, that's about it. So yeah, bye. My sister has to say something to you. Be a bucket filler. Make sure you subscribe and comment down below.